The Fiskars Ergo garden tool set is a popular choice for gardeners, and today we're putting it to the test. This set includes a trowel, transplanter, and cultivator, covering your essential gardening needs from planting to weeding. Fiskars claims these tools are ideal for various tasks, including digging, loosening soil, aerating, and more. Let's see how they perform. One of the standout features is the ergonomic design. The handles are designed to reduce hand and wrist fatigue, which is a huge plus for anyone who spends hours tending their garden. The orange and black color scheme is also easy to spot amongst the greenery. The cast aluminum heads are a welcome feature, promising durability and rust resistance. Fiskars claims they can cut through tough turf, so we'll be testing that out. Now, while the product description lists the item weight as 0.01 ounces, that's clearly an error. These tools have a substantial feel in hand, suggesting a much more realistic weight. The listed dimensions of 3 by 4.75 by 13.5 inches likely refer to the packaging, not the individual tools. It's important to have accurate information, so hopefully that will be corrected. In my own testing, I found the trowel to be effective for digging and planting. The transplanter made easy work of moving seedlings, and the cultivator's tines were strong enough to break up compacted soil. The ergonomic handles did seem to reduce strain during extended use. However, I'm not entirely convinced about the cut through tough turf claim. While the tools performed well in regular soil, they struggled a bit with denser, more compacted areas. Overall, the Fiskars Ergo garden tool set is a decent set for the average gardener. The ergonomic design is a definite plus, and the aluminum heads should provide lasting performance. Just be aware of the potentially misleading weight information and manage your expectations when tackling very tough turf. They're a good starting point for building your gardening toolkit, but you might need something heavier duty for more demanding tasks.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.